Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, a little bit of action happened over the last few days. Give you a quick run through. As you can see, got some new shockers in there. Leaf springs and shocks. Made this thing here. Yeah, it doesn't look like much right now, but that is a bike carrier for my bike and my wife's. We were just out at Goolwa, the holiday home the other day, and wife made a special request to take our bikes down there. So rather than just chuck them onto the rig and take them down there, I made a rack that's removable. So it bolts, it doesn't look like much now, but 2 bolts here, and this slides over the drawbar, like the center point of the drawbar. It all bolts on, and that can come off. So yeah, if you haven't already worked out, it goes just in front of the front storage carrier box that's on the drawbar. Now the other thing that I've been doing is under here. I'll be back with you in just a second. Alright, so we're underneath the trailer now. Now please excuse the surface rust under here. Now this was obviously used pardon me, off-road a fair bit. Now I'm going to raptor line the whole bottom of this when I get a chance to. It's just all surface rust, so I'm going to just hit it with some rust converter. Anyway, that's not the focal point. The focal point is the shockers. Now what I had to do was, it stands out really badly because it's painted. I had to put in a extra piece of tube going from here to here. Now it's a 40 by 40 3mm, I think it was 3mm, same stuff as this. I think it's 3mm square tube of the chassis, and but it's a 40 by 40 piece just to sandwich in between here and here. And then this is the Alko shock kit that you can buy online, and this bracket comes with it. So when I cut this tube to size, I also welded that bracket in there, so that's welded in pretty solid. Then I welded that in, and then all that I had to do was bolt that bracket on there, line her up, and then bolt the shockers on. Shockers. Okay. Nice and neat and really quick. Test them out in a few days. Alright, if this is interesting and useful to you, like and subscribe. Like button just down here, and subscribe by pressing on the little watermark just over there. Really appreciate it if you did. Ask any questions. Looks pretty neat. I mean, a little bit of customizing here, but yeah, not too bad. And I do apologise for the rustiness under here. It's just surface rust. Nothing's rusted out. Okay. That is all for now.